which is absolutely crazy to say. Start with what actually led me here. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Monday morning. I'm about to get ready for work for the day. I just got up, made my coffee, and wanted to start off a vlog here. I'm nervous and excited for this vlog because I have some exciting news to share with you guys. This vlog is my first work vlog back to work in a full-time role and not self-employed, which is absolutely crazy to say. I've been self-employed for the past 3 years, and this is honestly, it was something I wasn't even really expecting. The opportunity just kind of presented itself, and it was very good, too good to pass up, and here we are. I'm so excited about it. I love the company, I love the role, and I'm really excited for this new chapter and this new journey. It's a much needed adjustment and change right now, and I'm excited to take you guys along with me. But I have work in about an hour and a half, so I'm gonna get myself together, clean up a little bit, and we will chat more about it during my lunch break because I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions. I know it's like completely random and out of the blue. It was more planned than this, but we'll talk all about that later. But welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and spending the first work vlog back to work with me. We also just hit 19,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that. If you are new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. It really does help out my channel. I will be doing a lot more work vlogs, so if you like work vlogs, productivity, lifestyle content, definitely make sure to subscribe. But happy Monday. Let's get ready for work and get started with our day. Just made the bed, but I wanted to show you guys one of the plants that I got in my birthday vlog. This is the one that I said that I got for our bedroom because it's supposed to clean the air. And this is what it looks like fully potted. I think it looks really cute over here. I love the green against the white pot sitting on a little book. And then I think it also looks really good against the warm wood of the nightstand. Devin also has a little plant on his side. So I love the two pops of green on either side. I feel like it kind of balances each other out. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it. I think it looks really good over here. Down in my office, about to get started on work for the day. I just got ready. I decided not to do any mascara and just keep it cute and simple today. I also threw on my big press reset hoodie. Will I ever wear anything else? Probably not. Even though I created this hoodie and I might be just a little bit biased, seriously is one of the comfiest, if not the comfiest hoodies that I've ever worn. It's perfect for working from home. If I could wear this every single day, I would, especially on days like today where I'm tired. It's rainy out. It's just perfect because it's so oversized. And they are now available on the Press Reset website. So all of the pre-orders have been shipped and delivered and you guys are loving them. So this is a Self-Growth Club hoodie. If you guys are new here, Press Reset is my finance and productivity brand. We just launched a PR lounge collection. That way now you can be cozy while you're doing your monthly reset, your goal setting, your budgeting. I'll leave some pictures on the screen right here, but it comes in beige and navy. Like I said, they're perfect for just being comfy. They're so soft and fluffy. They're really thick and good quality and perfect for working from home when you want to be cute but comfy. Also, before I get started on work for the day, I'm going to plan out my day using my Gentle Productivity Planner. This is the collaboration with The Line and Zoe Pritchard. We're gonna plan out our day, make sure we're nice and organized. I'm also gonna do a little weekly planning as well. So we're gonna spend like 10-15 minutes this morning just getting ready for the week, getting nice and organized, and then we're gonna start work for the day. Okay, we're taking a quick break. I got some packages in the mail that I wanted to unbox really quickly and show you guys. The first thing that I ordered was a new pair of AirPods. They were on sale for, I think, $75. Normally they're around $130. I lost my AirPods and my AirPod case probably like 6-7 months ago. I've been using my big Beats headphones, the ones I always wear to the gym, and I love those for working out, but for running or meetings, they're not the best, and I don't love like talking through them. So I wanted to get a new pair of AirPods, and it was the perfect time because these were on sale for $75, which I thought was a pretty good deal. Getting a new Apple product is always so satisfying. There they are. And then this package I'm really excited about. I got some LED lights for my office just because when it's rainy or it's just dark down there, I wanted some like LED lights for my bookcase just to kind of give it a little bit more ambiance down there, make it a little bit more moody. And I thought when I film my videos down there, like my monthly resets, I thought it might look good to like have like the colored LED lights in my bookcase. It might just add a little something to the videos. So I'm excited about these. Hopefully they look good. I got these off Amazon. Okay, so they come with a little remote, and oh, these are a good size. I was worried they'd be too big, but I think that these will fit good behind my books. I want them to be hidden on the shelves. I don't want you to be able to see them. I will link these down below for you guys. This comes in a pack of 4 and they are rechargeable. I didn't want anything with a cord. These are technically, I think, under the cabinet lights because they do come with a little adhesive right here that you can just like peel off and stick on anything. But I want to like be able to move mine around, like maybe even like put one behind my computer on my desk. So I'm not gonna mount them or like stick them to anything, but it's nice because they are chargeable, so I can just like throw them places. Say hi. You are a needy coworker. You know that? You are one needy coworker. It is much later. I'm just wrapping up work for the day, just finishing up a few things on my laptop. I finished all of my like important tasks earlier, and some of my smaller tasks I've been liking to like just come up here, just get a change of scenery and finish work for the day on my laptop. I did not take a break today. I actually worked through my lunch because we had a company meeting. I was on Zoom from about 11:45 to 3. So I haven't really gotten a chance to sit down with you guys and just talk a little bit more about the role, the opportunity, the position that I'm in, and kind of what led me here. Okay, so we'll start with what actually led me here and kind of how this opportunity came about. A few months ago, I hopped on a Zoom call with a company, with a brand, which this is in like the influencer industry and space, so it ties in perfectly with, you know, obviously what I'm passionate about. But after that call, I distinctly remember thinking, wow, like I would actually really like to do that role, which was essentially meeting with creators and discussing the details of brand partnerships, opportunities, the deliverables of what those partnerships would be. And so I remember thinking that, and this is a company that I've worked with multiple times, so I was already very familiar with them. Well, fast forward a few months later, I found myself honestly really craving to go back into the corporate world, going back to a 9-to-5 and just being a part of something bigger than myself. Honestly, entrepreneurship is a very lonely journey. Obviously, I'm very thankful to have Devin in it with me, but still, I just miss that team environment, and that's an environment that I feel like I thrive in. I love working on a team, contributing to a team and to a company, and it's something that I really found myself missing. Before I left for entrepreneurship, I was actually in sales at an AI SaaS company, and I really loved that fast-paced startup environment, but obviously I wanted to pursue entrepreneurship. But after trying it for a few years, I decided that I think the best balance for me, especially in my life right now and for the next few years, is pursuing entrepreneurship on the side and then growing my career and following more of a career path working for an employer. So that way I get the best of both worlds. I can still work on my businesses before work, after work, and on the weekends. And then I can also still have that stability. Once again, just being a part of something that's just bigger than myself. And I have been loving it so far. So my official title, I'm not in the role that I initially wanted to be when I initially found interest in the company. I am one position below that. That's a role that I would grow into, but my current title is a partnership development strategist. So I essentially help that person onboard creators, get them set up for brand deals, do contract management. I also outreach creators and see if they're interested in working with certain brands. So I plan on being in this role for a few months and then hopefully moving up and actually speaking with creators over Zoom and having more of that relationship building aspect to it too. But yeah, I'm loving it so far. I love my team. I love the company, just the environment, and I've just been loving having, like I said, that stability, and then obviously the perks that come with it. So benefits, 401k and match. I have unlimited PTO. Okay, now for the question that I'm sure a lot of you guys have, and that is, what is happening to Press Reset, Amazon, content, basically everything that I was running before accepting this position? And essentially the answer is nothing. So everything is pretty much still going to be how it was. This is just in addition to that. So Devin is taking over Amazon pretty much full time. As far as Press Reset goes, it's something that I can work on after work and on the weekends. And then as far as content goes, nothing's really going to change with that since I only upload one time a week. So nothing is leaving. Press Reset is still here to stay. I still plan on obviously managing that and growing that. And then my content, I will still be uploading my weekly videos. So that's another reason why I'm so excited about this, is because I didn't have to give anything up in order to take it. It's just in addition to everything that I was already working on. And I'm just at the point right now in my life and with our businesses too, I would love to start my own private label supplement brand, but that's expensive. That's like $15,000. I would love to make Press Reset an app, but that's going to be a few tens of thousands. And so I'm just at a point right now where, one, I want to make as much money as possible right now, and this opportunity was very good for that. There's multiple reasons why I did this. Honestly, everything just aligned at the best time. And yeah, it was just kind of a no-brainer not to take. And I'm really excited about it because it's a really good mix of all my experience. All of the experience that I have is definitely applicable. So my sales experience, I am technically on the sales team. As a creator myself, when I'm doing outreach to creators, I kind of have a better insight of knowing what to say, what creators are going to respond to, exactly what they're looking for. So my experience as a creator really helps because I am talking to other creators and I have that kind of relationship and understanding because of that. And then several aspects of my entrepreneurship experience ties in really well too. So, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, definitely comment and let me know down below. I will of course talk a little bit more about it in future work vlogs, but my work vlogs are obviously going to look a little bit different since I am now in a full-time role. But yeah, I'm excited, like I said in the beginning of this video, to take you guys along with me to start this new chapter and this new journey. It is much needed right now, and I'm really excited to see where it goes. I'm gonna finish out work for the day. I have 30 minutes or so, and then Zena actually, she has a vet appointment. She's knocked out on the couch right here. She has a vet appointment later today. It shouldn't take too long. She just needs a booster shot for one of the vaccines that she got a few weeks ago. I've been sitting all day, so we are going to also go to the gym and do leg day after her vet appointment. It is the next day. It's Tuesday morning. I am just about to get started on work for the day. I don't have any meetings today. I actually just jumped out of the shower 10 minutes ago, but I prioritized going to the gym this morning and doing a leg day over getting myself together or getting more sleep, which I'm proud of myself for. It was rough this morning. I was so tired and I woke up at a weird time. I woke up at 7:30, so I was I could sleep for 30 more minutes, or I could rush to the gym and get a quick workout in. But I opted for the workout, and I actually got a 30-45 minute workout in, and it was such a good leg day and I feel so much better. So I think I'm gonna try to start incorporating my workouts, not every day because I don't get as strong of a workout in my mornings, but just start incorporating workouts into my morning routines because it feels good to have that done and out of the way. And also I feel a lot more focused, and truthfully, my butt doesn't hurt as much throughout the day, which yesterday I was like, oh my God, like I need to stand up, get my legs moving. I've been sitting all day. And so it felt nice to like get everything moving before sitting here. I'm probably gonna also get my walking pad out today to get some steps in, but I'm excited for after work today because I think I'm gonna go get my nails done. I really need a pedicure. So I think I'm gonna go get a manicure and a pedicure. It's really nice out today. It's like 80 degrees and all sun, so I feel good. It's a good Tuesday. We're gonna knock this work day out and then have a little self-care after work, and then probably do some studying or something after that. It is already 2:33 and I have not eaten anything today, and I went to the gym this morning, so this is gonna be really good. I'm not making lunch today because I'm only taking a 15-minute break and I just wanted something quick but was still really filling. So I got a turkey bacon avocado sandwich and the tomato basil soup from Cafe Zupa's. It is 5:15. We are officially done with work for the day. I actually just pulled in the nail salon. I'm meeting my mom here. She's actually waiting for me outside the car right here, but we're gonna go in here and get our nails done. I wanna get my toes and my fingers done. This is what they look like before. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna get what I normally get, which is just like a light pink or like something really natural and sheer, but yeah, we'll see what we end up with. All right, I just got done with my nails and pulled in back home. I didn't really vlog anything in there. It is already 8:30. I decided to switch it up. If you guys know me, I always either get white, light pink, or like an opaque pink. And I've been eyeing this really pretty like emerald green color. And I've seen that on other people too before. And I think it looks so good. It's something that like I wasn't sure if I'd like on myself, but I love on other people. For some reason today, it was calling my name and I went with this color. Completely different than what I normally get. I either love them or hate them. I think I like them. Yeah, these are them. It's a little hard to see since it's getting dark out. Like I said, I think I like them. I did ask her to make them a little bit more round. My nails are just at like an awkward length. They're better than what they were, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. It is 8:30. I'm just gonna go inside, eat some leftovers for dinner, watch a show probably, read, and then go to bed. Really hope you guys enjoyed spending the last 2 work days with me, and thank you guys so much for watching if you did make it this far. If you made it this far, comment down below. Let's do a little laptop. Comment down below the laptop emoji since this was my first vlog back to work. More work vlogs will be coming very soon, so let me know if there's anything specific that you want to see in them or just any video ideas or recommendations. Definitely comment that too. But we just also hit 19,000, so thank you so much for that. We are so close to 20, so if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.